habituated to see. Why we were habituated to see Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the Parliament, standing in his stand, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, और two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on it. This is his head. Where? Always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu? Whether this case is still pending?
जो सदस्य यहाँ के मेंबर नहीं है,
ठीक है, चलिए टीडीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है, एनसीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है. आप जो बोल रहे हैं आप चेंज कर दे. Are they not corrupted? Whether the TDP top leader was not arrested by the ED CBI, by last government itself. He has become now honest. हाँ? वॉशिंग मशीन में कैसा क्लीन हो गया देखिए बीजेपी का साथ रहने के बाद ऐसा क्लीन हो गया. Now what a political compulsion is having. What a political compulsion. नरेंद्र मोदी जी, what a fate देखिए, क्या political compulsion है. आपको भी डिसऑनेस्ट corrupt leaders के लेके सरकार बनाना पड़ता है. यही fate है, fate.
Respected Speaker, ma'am, honorable members, I'm extremely happy to make my maiden speech on the occasion on address of Honorable President of India. Firstly, I would like to object to the words of Kalyan Banerjee ji. Today he has commented on our Honorable Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and also for misleading the House that he was arrested by ED and CBI. But our Honorable Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu was arrested by AP CID in my very own parliament, that is Nandyal. Nandyal parliament is since decades, it has been Congress and YSRCP strongly ruled. But I would like to question Banerjee ji, why do you think Nandyal parliament has won 7 on 7 assembly seats? And why do you think I have won more than the majority he was boasting about today? Why do you think people of Andhra Pradesh has given clear mandate by Telugu Desam Party with NDA Alliance and Janasena winning 164 out of 175 seats and 21 out of 25 parliament seats? He has also mentioned, he was very sarcastic. I wish he was here today at this session, but he was very sarcastic today. He mentioned our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is walking with 2 clutches, and 1 clutch is Telugu Desam Party. Sir, remember, I thought you were the senior most leader with immense knowledge, but please remember that the clutch you are talking about is not a clutch, but it's a sword. And as you can see, the world has witnessed our leader, Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who has transformed Hyderabad and Secunderabad into a IT or Biocon hub. how he has improved the farmers' lives, how our per capita income was increased. So, I would also like to remember that the youth of our state have been improved. They were employed under the rule of Telugu Desam Party. Our country coronates to be the third largest economy very soon. And I'm sure Telugu Desam Party is going to become the jewel in that crown under the leadership of Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Pavan Kalyan Garu, and the future of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Lokesh Garu.